take you to 2 thrift stores and show you a few things that sold for me on eBay and Poshmark. So let's go. Good morning, friends. I am just out of Zumba class, hot and sweaty. I go every Monday, Wednesday, Friday to Zumba. And there's a tiny little church thrift store. I've taken you there maybe twice before. It's only open on Tuesday and Wednesday from 9 to 12 or 9:30 to 12. It's really small. So, and it has very limited hours, so I don't always go. My experiences there is that I find a lot of bread and butter items that I can sell on eBay and Poshmark. Every once in a while I'll find something really good, but the thing is it's inexpensive. And I live here in Northern California where thrift store prices are crazy high. So we're gonna pop in. I'll try and do a little filming in there, but it's a teeny little store. So, and I need to go home and take a shower. We had a substitute today and she worked us so hard. So, let's go thrifting. Alright, so here's what I've found so far. This is Philip Lim, size large, 3.1, $6. It'll be $3 because everything's half off. It has these neat cutouts. I'm filming this in the end of March, so I am looking for more like spring items. This is a J. Crew linen dress. The tag is cut out, unfortunately, for size. It's $5, so it'll be $2.50. But it's a beautiful linen A-line dress. I love picking up linen. I pick up almost everything linen that I can. These are some Chico's size 1. I wish they were larger. But some blue printed pull-on stretchy pants. These are some Levi's 311 shaping skinny in black in a size 30. I know many of you are not picking up skinny jeans anymore. $3.50, so they'll be $1. What is that? $1.75. I'm still selling skinny jeans and still wearing them, so I'm not going to pay a lot for them, but I'll still pick them up. These are riding pants by the brand Carrots. I pick these up whenever I see them. These are $3, so they'll be $1.50. They're a size medium. You can tell they're riding pants because of that leather stitching there. This is a top I know nothing about, but I just love it. Day Gerger A. Mickelson. It's European or something. It's viscose. Super cute print with a bow at the neckline. I call that a secretary bow. I could find out that's something good or it could be nothing, so I'll report back. And this is, hold on. This is Lauren Ralph Lauren. It's a size small in this Barbie pink color. It's a cotton silk blend button down, perfect for spring. It's got some gathering at the sleeves and the waistline, and I am really focusing on the Lauren Ralph Lauren because I've learned that it really sells well for me. And this I'm picking up because of seasonality, and it's an XL. It's Eddie Bauer. It's like one of those outdoor camping hiking type shirts, so I'm definitely focusing on that for spring. It's $5, so it'll be $2.50. I wouldn't get that like in a size small, and I wouldn't get it unless I was thinking spring and camping and all that. Okay, friends, I cannot tell you how much I love this little place. My total was $33, I believe. Here's my receipt. These car hauls are kind of funny, right? $33.36. My most expensive item was $3. Most things were $1.50, $2.50. I mean, where I live here, that is just such a rarity, but I picked up a few other things I wanted to show you. One is this Emmanuel Ungaro suit. So it's the entire suit, the skirt and the jacket. I paid $3. It's a size 8. I think it's vintage. It feels like Tencel Lyocell, but it's a skirt and jacket set, and comps are actually pretty good on this old school designer brand. This is the most exciting find, and I found one of these when I was here last time, but that was like a month ago, so I wonder if this has been sitting there that long. Nakitano, Brave New World. I only just listed the one that I got before memorize that tag because this is kind of a bolo. I just listed the one that I got here last time yesterday. I listed it for $45 and sold comps are around the $40 range. The reason I picked it up last time is because it had all this branding, all this like logo leather branding stuff, and that's usually a sign that it might be a bit of a higher end item. I realize that I look totally ridiculous right now. I came to Zumba, sweated my butt off, and then came here. So I need to go home and take a shower and pull myself together. I also got some bras. Do you guys remember last time I was here, I got all those Soma bras. They were $2 each. I have them listed around 18 or 20. But this I've never found before. This is a NYX bra, K-N-I-X, size 8. And it's like a sports bra, and it looks really good quality, and it looks like comps are around 25 bucks. So this, I wish this was my size, because like this looks like really well made and structured well. So that was a great find. And then I just grabbed a couple other bras. That one's nothing. I was thinking just for me. This is a Victoria's Secret bra. I've been loving selling bras. I don't want to pay a lot for them. That was $2 because they only sell like 15 plus I charge $4.99 shipping on eBay, but they're selling. The Victoria's Secret, if you can get a large size bra and you can price them lower like that, they've been selling really well. So a great little stop. This one Naketano sweater, if it sells for 45 or even 40, that would pay for absolutely everything, and everything else would just be pure profit. So I'm still on my hunt to find cheaper thrift stores like this. This one is very limited, but I've been finding lots of other ones. Have you guys? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, friends, I have some big news. If you've been following my reselling journey here on the channel, you know that I used to have a Goodwill outlet bins right here in my city. Well, with the pandemic, it closed down, which is understandable. I thought it would reopen like all the other thrift stores, and it never did. It has been literally 3 years. So I drive 2 hours to Sacramento, California to go to the Goodwill outlet there, where I can sift through giant bins of clothes and pay by the pound. It keeps my cost of goods way down, and that is so important as a reseller, because if we can pay less for an item, we make a lot more profit. So I need the Goodwill outlet to open. Well, I call them every month or so. I check in and say, hey, just checking in. And they always say the same thing to me. They say, yes, we plan to reopen. We're working on it.
Well, it's been 3 years.
Honestly, I'd kind of given up, thinking I'm just never going to have a Goodwill outlet again. And my thrift stores are so expensive here. As far as I know, they're the most expensive in the country, because I watch a lot of YouTube Thrift With Me's and Thrift Hauls, and most people are paying a few bucks for an item, and I'm paying 10 bucks. Anyway, the good news is the Goodwill outlet in my area has reopened. I'm going to be able to binge shop 15 minutes from my house. It's only open on Friday and Saturday from 9 to 3. So very limited hours. I'm hoping it goes well so that I can bring you lots of bins videos. In the past, my bins was really good. And I'm imagining my Goodwill outlet will be even better now, because they're charging so much at the Goodwills here, and they don't do 50% off sales, nothing. They don't do color tag 50% off. They don't do a 99-cent Sunday, no sales, zero, and they overprice everything. It's just what's going on in my area, and from talking to a lot of you around the country, it's happening for you too. But, so I'm imagining a lot of the expensive Goodwill stuff will end up at the outlet. I cannot tell you how excited I am. So I'm gonna go on Friday. So follow me on Instagram at The Grateful Queen, because I'll probably be posting about it there sooner, and I'll be sure to bring you lots of bins videos. I'm so excited. Okay, friends, it is March 11th. I sold 13 items on eBay this weekend, which for me is a lot. So I'm in my inventory storage. We're going to post some items. I sold these Talani pants. They're a size small. I still store my inventory by type of item. So we're going to look in here. They are size small Talani palazzo pants. They're made of silk. I got so many lowball offers on these, so I'm glad I held out. They sold for $35. Next up, I sold a vintage dress. I don't do a lot with vintage. Let me know in the comments if you do. Sometimes, like, I think I got this in a mystery box, so I'm going to sell it, but I don't go out of my way looking for it. It's a size small dress. It's one shoulder, so it's going to be in this bin here. Sad thing is I already went through this size small solid printed dress bin just a minute ago because I sold another small dress and now I'm having to go through it again to try and find this vintage dress. Theory, show me your moo-moo. Where would it be? It's kind of a bigger item. Sometimes I just end up having to take everything out. Rebecca Taylor, Everlane, Graham & Spencer silk dress, Calvin Klein. You get the point. Found it! Size 6 black vintage one shoulder dress. I accepted an offer on this of $34 plus shipping. I don't know why I had it stored in the medium dresses. See, this is why if you're a smart reseller and you have one of those number systems by date or a number, that's the way to go. But I've been reselling 10 years and I started the system when things were small and it would probably take me like a week to redo it, but it usually works pretty great, but every once in a while there's a little issue. And this is for Love and Lemons. I bought a box of wholesale from Helpsy Source. If you ever shop with Helpsy Source, please consider using my discount code, which is the Grateful Queen, all in caps. I bought a new with tag for Love and Lemons box. It's such a hot brand. This dress sold immediately, like in 24 hours, for $79.99, which was my full asking price over on Poshmark. It was a size small too. My two Poshmark sales were this Athleta, kind of like it was a cross between a sweatshirt and a long sleeve shirt, size medium, very bright orange, and it sold for $22 on Poshmark. This took a long time to sell, and I think I figured out why. This is Garnet Hill. I absolutely love this brand. This is a size medium, little cardigan. Look at the bird print on that. It's so good, and I could not figure out. It's merino wool. Why didn't it sell? I spelled it wrong. So it's Garnet Hill, and I put in an extra N and a T or something. So it finally sold after having it for like more than a year. I thought it would sell right away, but my mistake. But it still sold for $25 plus shipping, but it took so long. So if you have an item and you're like, this is a good item, why is it not selling? Go in there to your listing and double check that your spelling's correct, that you have the item specifics correct. I've made a mistake before where I have it in the wrong category or something, where it's like in a dress category by accident. We all make these little mistakes when we're trying to list things quickly, and I'm still happy with $25 for that, but it took way too long. Okay, my gorgeous friends, I have a challenge for us. I have 20 minutes literally to run into the Salvation Army thrift store. Why? Because I have to go pick up my son at school. I ran an errand and I'm like, I have 20 minutes to kill. So I'm going to literally set an alarm for 20 minutes. I'm going to run in, see what we can find that I can sell on eBay and Poshmark. I need things to list. I did a video recently where I shared that my death pile is like gone, my money pile, except for shoes. I need a nice day of weather where I can go outside and clean shoes. So I'm gonna run in with you and we're gonna grab a few things that I can hopefully list on eBay and Poshmark. Here we go. Okay, this is a small but mighty haul. I got 5 items. My total was $37. I got some Athleta, size large, tall, full length black leggings. There's that telltale Athleta symbol. These are awesome. These are Anthropology brand. They're a size 16 and they're really on trend. A loose fit pleated pair of wide leg pants with a tie belt. So super nice score on those. This is a brand I love, Garnet Hill. This is a size 6. This is a long, like maxi dress gown in this gorgeous print. So I'm going to list this really high. You can charge more for long maxi dresses than you can like a little mini or a skirt or something. This is a really good women's brand. Their catalog is very expensive. This is a new to me brand that I'm excited about. Emily and Finn. It's a size large. The comps on this brand are really high. The print is what attracted me. It is a midi skirt, all pleated, blue with like these orange and yellow flower print, so nice for spring. This is Wilfred Free. These are a size 12, and these are like denim, but they're that loose fit, kind of a straight leg barrel pant, cargo pockets, and an off-white. So a good brand, a really good size in a size 12, and a really good style, and again, really good. I'm thinking spring, you guys, it's March, so 20 minutes, 37 bucks, and some really great pieces. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. So make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what you think of this haul. Thanks!